crossing borders, connecting the world, crafting equipment with ingenuity, winning partners with integrity. Hiteknova, deeply rooted in the field of light-gauge steel and steel structure, construction equipment, serves every customer around the world with professionalism and perseverance. Professional equipment comes from unremitting R&D and innovation. From light-gauge steel framing machines to laser cutting machines, from CZ, purlin machines to complete sets of steel structure construction machines, Hiteknova has always polished every piece of equipment to strict standards, pursuing the dual breakthrough of precision and efficiency. Long-term cooperation comes from intimate service and perseverance. Over the years, our footprint has spread all over the world, gaining consistent recognition from customers in different countries and fields. Every feedback is the driving force for us to move forward. Every cooperation is the starting point for us to achieve win-win results. We firmly believe that high-quality products are the foundation of cooperation, and sincere service is the guarantee of win-win results. It is this perseverance that allows us to move forward hand in hand with global customers and gain precious recognition and trust one after another. Hiteknova has always adhered to the concept of professionalism, efficiency, integrity, and win-win. Deeply rooted in the field of steel structure, construction equipment, continuous innovation, and excellence. In the future, we will continue to provide better products and more intimate services, work hand in hand with global customers to build a new, brilliant industry, and let Hiteknova's professional equipment empower every production scene around the world.